Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
This guide explains how to manage device protection while staying within legal boundaries. Only follow manufacturer steps and prove ownership before making security changes. Avoid third-party hacks or unauthorized bypass tools that compromise device integrity. Back up personal data fully before altering protection and account settings. Contact official support if activation locks or remote protection prevent access. You will need proof of purchase, serial number, or original account credentials. Keep two-step verification and recovery options updated to simplify future changes. Start within device settings and locate protection or security sections listed by name. Sign out of linked accounts and remove the device from account management pages first. Disable two-step verification when prompted and record recovery codes in a secure location. Perform a factory reset only after confirming accounts are removed and data is backed up. If activation lock remains, contact manufacturer support and provide proof like receipt or serial number. Expect support turnaround in 3 to 5 business days for ownership verification. Before calling support, gather proof of purchase, serial number, and account email address. Backup important files to cloud or external drive. Verify the backup size and integrity. Be ready to show purchase date, payment method, and device IMEI or serial. Some manufacturers charge a fee or require in-person verification for ownership claims. If you lose access permanently, consider device recycling or authorized resale options to avoid loss. Keep recovery methods current, update passwords every 90 days, and enable device location services.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.